I'm Harrison Vertis. I'm with Ranch Wrap. Today I'm at Hasselmann Family Farms. It's Scott here. Nice to meet you, Scott.
Nice to meet you.
All right, Scott, can you tell us a little bit about your operation
We
here?
are a pasture-based operation here in Marengo, Illinois, Northern Illinois, small family farm. This is part of our cow-calf operation here. We also have a flock of sheep and laying hens that run on pasture, and we farrow to finish Berkshire hogs.
So what's the difference between the food that you raise here versus that in the grocery store?
Well, we're a grass-based pasture-raised operation, so we sell grass-fed beef. When you buy a beef from us, you're just getting from one animal, where in the supermarket you could be getting from 100 different animals mixed together in the ground beef end. And then our pigs are all raised on pasture. I'd speculate 90% of the pork is raised indoors and never sees the light of day. So that's a totally different too. Same with our eggs. The hens roam on pasture and our meat chickens roam out on pasture. So it's just night and day, the difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We work with some other Amish growers that raise the chickens for us out on pasture. We've outstripped our supply. I mean, we can't keep up with the demand, so we've had to partner with some other farms to help us fill in the gaps.
Yeah, you mentioned that earlier, and
Yeah.
I was curious, how does that translate to the community that you're building here and the community that's built around?
Well, it's just great because a lot of farmers don't want to deal with the public and, going to farmers market every Saturday, but they like to grow good, healthy food outside on pasture.
Mm-hmm.
And we're able to help them grow too. So it's really a win-win. We've got this community, this network of producers we work with to raise these products.
Awesome.
Like we brought milk in and cheese and other things too to our products, and we work with farmers down in Southern Illinois that have awesome milk and cheese, and yeah, it's just great. It's a great community. It's a network.
Can you tell me a little bit about the history of your farm and Hasselmann Family Farms?
Well, I'm a fifth generation farmer. It would have been my great grandparents came from Hanover, Germany, and they farmed on Toohey and Wolf Road. The original Hasselmann farm was on Toohey and Wolf right by O'Hare and Des Plaines, and they were primarily vegetable farmers to South Water Market in Chicago. And then in 1966, they moved to Elk Grove Village, where they were mushroom farmers, and they had a thriving mushroom business. And that's where I grew up in the 80s on that farm, and I always had animals and stuff like that. Then that got sold in 2009, and we moved out here to Marengo in 2010. And I started this actually on the mushroom farm in 2005 as a direct market meat and eggs. All the product goes to the end consumer. We take everything right to the end consumer, to families. So it's a long history in the area. And volunteers like Maria in the store, she's just basically a volunteer. We pay her in product. She just loves the product. She was a customer
really?
who turned into a helper. We call them farm helpers. So
That's awesome.
yeah,
I love that.
yeah, it's really a special place, this farm, because there's life, there's animals, there's people. Some of the best soil on earth too. Class A, really good quality soil. This is my daughter's dairy cow. Honey is her name.
Honey?
Yeah. And
Hey, honey.
sorry about that.
No, that's good.
She's like a big dog, man. Brown Swiss. Daughter's milk cow.
Where do most of your customers come from? Usually, is it
We
Chicago
pull from
area?
all over. Historically, it's been the northern burbs like Arlington Heights, Palatine, and all that. But we pull from the city, as far as far south as LaGrange and stuff like that, as far north Shore. So we pull from all over.
Okay.
Those thistle there, that's a bad management problem. So I need to get those under control. Only a farmer's eye would see that, but
How do you deal with those?
I don't use chemicals, so I just you could spray them, but we don't spray any of this. So I'll just come out here with the mower and we'll mow them down so they don't go to seed.
The full product list for Hasselmann
Oh
Family
gosh,
Farms.
we have over 300 products when you all the different cuts, 20 different flavors of bratwurst. We got Berkshire pork, grass-fed beef and lamb, pasture-raised poultry, farm-fresh eggs. Now we're carrying dairy and cheese, partnering with other small farms.
What's your family's involvement in the farm?
Oh,
here?
it's a 100% family operation. My wife has developed this farm with me. My lovely wife of 20-some years has helped me grow this farm. Her mom and her aunt are heavily involved in keeping the farm going. My daughter's now taken an active role in handling all our social media. And then we got a great group of farm helpers. They're kind of like volunteers that help us. They've basically been customers that have turned into be friends of the farm, and they help us run the store and do other work. So it's all family.
Awesome. So where can we find Hasselmann Family Farms products?
First of all, at ranch route. You can find our products there. You can check us out on their awesome website. You can also come out to the farm and visit the farm. We have a farm store open Monday and Wednesday 9 to 5 and Saturday 9 to 2. And we offer home delivery right to your door throughout Chicagoland. Just go to hasselmannfarm.com and click on Shop Now. We consider our customers like family and all our farm helpers. So,
Absolutely. Yeah.
That's what it's all about, that community.
That's what it's all about.
Sense of community.
And that sets up my last question perfectly. What is your message to the rest of the world, to the farming community and those who are interested?
Wherever you're at in the U.S., support your local farm. We've always believed that small farms are one of America's biggest assets, and they're dropping like flies. So if you can support a small local farm, like give their money right to them to keep them in the community, you'll have a better community, you'll have healthier food. It's just a win-win for everybody.
Absolutely. Thank you, Scott.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. I'll give you
too.
some product to take home. Come on.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
Oh yeah, come on.
You've done enough already.
No. You look like a meat eater. You need protein, huh?